When we talk of neuroscience, I am reminded of a small example which actually concerned me. I was a small child, I share this, my own personal experience, when I actually woke up to the powers of the different kinds of minds. And why I started delving into them at a very young age, and I realized they indeed can bestow a person with miraculous or with effective powers. I was a small child, I was in class 5. Mr. Radi, I was sharing with him that my dad stayed abroad, my mother also was with him for long stints of time. We used to stay with our grandmother. I was in school, we were told that tomorrow is your camp, scouting. Boy Scouts and Girl Guides, you have to go for a camp, and we were told that tomorrow morning 6 o'clock the bus is coming, you have to catch the bus, you have to reach a farm which is 70 kilometers, 5 days is a scouting camp, and you have to perform, your marks are going to be counted. I was in class 7 at that time, maybe 11 or 12 years old. The camp begins tomorrow, the bus comes tomorrow morning. Suddenly at 11:30 in the night I realized that tomorrow I don't have to get up at 7:30 or 8 o'clock as I normally get up. The bus will come at 6, I have to get up at 5 o'clock. I rush to my grandmother and I tell her that, grandmother, I have become late, I should have slept early because tomorrow I have to get up at 5. Please wake me up at 5 o'clock. Grandmother, simple lady, Nani ji, purane zamane ki aurat, she says, I got up at 6 o'clock. If I can, I'll try to wake you up at 6 o'clock. I said, if I can, if I'm late, if I miss the bus, I said, Nani ji, I miss the bus, no camp, no exams, no result, no pass, only fail. I'll repeat the class, I said. And children are scared of teachers. I also was very scared of my teacher, my class teacher. So I said, you must wake me up. She said, how can I wake you up? I said, you must wake me up. She said, how? I said, you set an alarm. She says, see, I belong to a time which is different. I don't know how to set the alarm. You set it up. I tried to look at the alarm clock. I couldn't understand. I couldn't make out anything from the alarm clock. So I said, what do we do, Naniji? I can't set the alarm. You cannot set the alarm. I must get. I'll do one thing, Naniji. I will not sleep the full night. She says, that cannot happen. You're a small child. It will impact your health in a bad way, so don't do that. I say, what next? What is the other option? She says, neighbors. I looked out. It was dark. It was around 12 o'clock. I didn't have the guts. I didn't have the courage. I did not have the impunity to go and wake up my neighbors. So I said, Naniji, I'll have to wake the full night. I can't miss the bus. I know I will not get up because I have never got up in my life. She says, there is one way. She thought. I said, what? She says, you tell the pillow will wake you. I said, tell the pillow, are you joking? Aap mazak to nahi kar rahe. And at this time when I'm so tense, she says, no, the pillow will wake you up. I said, are you joking? No, she says, tell the pillow. Now, I had no other. Marta, kya na karta. I said, okay, fine, I'll tell the pillow. I looked at the pillow. Lifeless the pillow was. I said, please wake me up at 5 o'clock. She said, no. You tell the pillow, I will get up at 5 o'clock. I said, tell the pillow, I will get up at 5. She says, yes. So I told the pillow, I will get up at 5 o'clock. She says, no. You say louder. I said, I will get up at 5 o'clock. She said, not enough louder. I said, I will get up at 5 o'clock. She says, good, now repeat. I said, I will get up at 5 o'clock. She says, once more. And I said, I will get up at 5 o'clock. She says, good. Now you go to sleep. Tired I was, 12 o'clock. I had never woken till that time. 30 seconds, I was transported to a different world, the world of sleep. And suddenly, I don't know how much time passed, I woke up. When I woke up, within 10 seconds, the events of the night flashed in front of my mind and my heart started thumping because I knew that my fortunes depended upon what the clock was going to show me. My heart was thumping, my heart was pounding, and I looked at the clock and presto, it was 4 hours, 59 minutes and 30 seconds. 30 seconds to 5 o'clock. The pillow actually had woken me up. I jumped out of bed. I was happy. I got ready. 6 o'clock, I took the bus. I performed well in the camp. I performed well in the exams. I thanked my Naniji and more so I thanked the pillow. But if I have to ask you, who woke me up? Did the pillow wake me up? It was not the pillow which woke me up. It was my subconscious mind which actually woke me up.